Welcome back, traders. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating microcap play that just hit our scanners, GNPX Inc., ticker GNPX. This isn't just a generic market overview, we're going to break down exactly why GNPX caught our attention, the specific levels to watch, and the underlying technical signals at play. If you're looking for a detailed, analyst-level breakdown of a real-time trading opportunity, you're in the right place. Stick around because the data on GNPX is compelling. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Show chart GNPX. Let's talk about GNPX. GNPX Inc. is a clinical stage gene therapy company operating in the high-growth healthcare and biotechnology sector. They're focused on developing innovative therapies for patients with cancer and diabetes, designing technologies to administer disease-fighting genes. With a market capitalization of a lean $7.05 million, this is firmly in penny stock territory, meaning it can be highly volatile but also offers significant percentage moves. Looking at the recent price action, GNPX has been quite active. Today alone, it's seen a solid plus 19.31% increase. Over the last 5 days, that momentum accelerates to a remarkable plus 36.8%. However, zooming out a bit, the last 30 days saw a pullback of minus 15.68%. This suggests a recent reversal after some selling pressure. It's also important to note the bigger picture. GNPX is currently trading 98.8% below its 52-week high of $55, but it's a healthy 62.5% above its 52-week low of $4,230. This isn't a dead cat bounce, it's a recovery from recent lows. Zoom in on volume-wise, today's trading volume surged to 589,862 shares, which is impressive when compared to its 30-day average volume of 352,648 shares. This gives us a relative volume of 1.7 times above average, indicating significant renewed interest and liquidity in the stock. GNPX didn't just pop up by accident, it triggered 2 powerful screening strategies. First, the POC Delta signal. In simple terms, this means the stock's price is now trading above the highest volume price level of the last 20 days. Think of it like a battleground where a lot of shares changed hands. GNPX has now moved decisively above that level. Crucially, the POC Delta also confirmed that over the last 5 days, buying pressure has clearly exceeded selling pressure. Buyers are stepping in and taking control. Highlight recent volume bars. The second strategy was the Itozogi, which translates to bear trap reversal. This signal identifies stocks that have been under recent selling pressure like GNPX's 30-day performance but are now showing strong signs of recovery, pushing back above their 20-day exponential moving average EM at 20 with confirming volume. It suggests that previous sellers might be getting squeezed as the price reverses upwards. What really solidified GNPX as a high-conviction candidate was our signal confirmation filter, the VWAP and EMA alignment gate. This isn't just one indicator, it's a multi-factor confirmation system. Show indicators on chart. In simple terms, it means the stock's price is trading robustly above its volume-weighted moving average, showing strong buying interest. At the same time, the trend strength, measured by the ADX indicator, is above 18, confirming that there's a genuine trend developing, not just random noise. And finally, the relative strength index, or RSI, is in the healthy momentum zone, specifically between 45 and 68. This tells us the stock isn't overbought but has good upward thrust. When all 3 of these align simultaneously, it acts as a powerful filter, helping us eliminate false breakouts and focus on movements with genuine underlying strength. Now, let's talk about the specific levels to watch for GNPX. Our scanner generated an entry signal price at $6,839. This is where the confluence of our signals suggested an optimal entry. To manage risk effectively, a clear stop-loss level is set at $6,805. This is our insurance policy, limiting potential downside. On the upside, we have a series of take-profit targets to scale out your positions: TPON at $7,181, TPWO at $7,523, and TP3 at $7,865. Highlight levels on chart. What makes this setup particularly attractive is the risk/reward ratio, a fantastic one, 10.6. This ratio is critical because it tells you that for every $1 of risk you take on this trade, you could potentially gain over $10 if it reaches a full target. It's about maximizing your potential profit while strictly managing your exposure. Once again, please remember important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. For GNPX, keep a close eye on the volume. Today's elevated 589,862 shares, 1.7 times above average, needs to persist for sustained upward movement. Watch how the stock reacts around our entry level of 6,839 cents. A clean break and hold above this level, especially on continued strong volume, would be a strong confirmation. If it approaches the take profit targets, observe if momentum is maintained or if there are signs of consolidation. Given it's a penny stock, volatility can be high, so adhere strictly to the stop loss at 6,805 cents. A move below this point would invalidate the current setup and suggest a re-evaluation is needed. The biotech sector can be news-driven, so be aware of any company-specific announcements from GNPX Inc. that could impact the price. So there you have it, a detailed breakdown of GNPX Inc. This clinical stage gene therapy company, with its recent plus 19.31% surge in 1.7x average volume, triggered our POP Delta and I2Zogi strategies, and passed our robust VWAP and EMA alignment gate. With a compelling 110.6 risk/reward ratio and clear levels at 6,839 cents entry, 6,805 cents stop loss, and targets up to 7,865 cents, GNPX presents an intriguing setup to monitor. Remember, always trade your plan and manage your risk. If you found this in-depth analysis valuable, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more real-time breakdowns, and let us know your thoughts on GNPX in the comments below. We love hearing from you.